Disclaimer: watch this video only one time. If you watch this more than one time, I'm not responsible for your health condition. Thank you.
Does your background suck like this? Bro, can you not change your background because this is your storeroom? Yes. Do you want to hide this background but not hide it? Do you want to change this background into a professional space? Yes? Keep watching this video. Oh, I know. There exists a thing called virtual background. You can change your things with that. Yeah, I know it. Virtual background suck. And here are the reasons. Number one, the real reason is I want to make a video on my background. So let's get right into it, shall we? There exists a thing called room dividers, which is basically a small piece of cardboard or wood which will just hide this. It will give you a personal space. All these things will be gone. What I mean. In this video, we are gonna build a. We're gonna build a. We're gonna build a. What's the thing called? Yeah, room divider by ourselves, which is going to be custom because I cannot afford the real room divider and it's not worth it. Yeah, definitely not too economical. So shall we build it? You guys ready? Oh, I know you guys are ready. Look, I am standing right here and the background makes me look like an idiot. Trust me, I'm not an idiot. This background is making me look like an idiot, okay? So if we change this, I'm gonna look good and also smart. I am the one. So now, let's get into the video. Shall we? What do you need to build this custom room dividers? You need a cardboard, a gum, not gum, sellotapes, wallpapers, and a bunch of common sense. And also, definitely, you need me to make your own goddamn room dividers. So, let's get right into it. I'm still alive. So, I'll go grab my cardboard boxes and the required items, and I'll show you how to make it. And I'll show you how to look like a smart guy. And I'll show you how to change this background into this, not this. I'll show you. Okay, wait, keep watching, don't skip the video. I'm so tired. Hey guys, I'm back with some cardboard boxes. You wanna see? Come on here, look at these cardboard boxes I got. I'm kind of making my storeroom into a storeroom again.
I'm making my storeroom into storeroom again.
So let's go. My camera sucks, dude. Okay, so we got some bunch of cardboard boxes, and I got here another cardboard box. Oh no, this video is not sponsored by Lenovo. This video is sponsored by Samsung. No, it's not Samsung. As you can see, there is no G here. This video is sponsored by Samsung, guys. Thank you, Samsung, for giving me these amazing cardboard boxes. Appreciate it. And yeah, guys, you also need a measurement tape. So I have some scissors and there's some sellotapes and this cardboard boxes. Let's get started, shall we? So, guys, my measurement. Fucking focus on me, phone. Yeah, my measurement is this thing. Yeah, right here. You see here, this is my measurement. I can get an inch tape, but I won't. I was acting. Or was I?
I was acting. Or was I?
I was acting. Or was I? So this is the tape, and all we have to do now is do the thing I have to do. Yay! Here. Oh my god, I look so white now. That's racist. I managed to give you guys some distance. Yeah. So look at me now. Can you guys even hear me? I think I should be louder, right? Hey guys, can you hear me? Alright. So now all I have to do is, I know the concept of it's the room divider's purpose is to just hide things, right? Yeah. And you guys also need a painter. No shit, you guys need a paint or colors, or that's why I mentioned wallpapers. Do you know what I'm gonna do? Yeah, me neither. I'm gonna regret this. Alright, so here it goes, man. So guys, I cut this bullshit into 3 pieces. Alright, so from here to here. Look at this. Now this looks like a oh my god, this is amazing. I look like an angel.
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
I believe I can fly.
I believe I can.
Oh my god, this is gonna be amazing, guys. So I just cut one part of this, and I got like this, as you guys can see. So this covers almost the entire frame. I didn't really think this would come this good. So I have a lot of cardboard boxes, so we will just cut it and tape it with this one, so that it kind of gets the height. As you can see, I'm kind of tall, guys. Oh my god, I'm 6 feet. Okay, shut up. So I just have to hide it. Actually, I don't think I have to. I'm like playing like this. That looks funny. Okay, I'll be playing like this or something. Yeah? No? I guess we'll just increase the height a little bit, okay? Because as you see, this is perfect, and I'm gonna do it right now. I'm so excited. Let's go. Feels good, man. Feels good. Feels real good. And also the girl who saw me collecting all these cardboard boxes, I'm not trying to build a cardboard home, please.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Guys, if I could just tape this, I think that will be enough, right? Yeah, it comes to the bureau size, and my chair could fit in here. And let's see the output, and based on that we'll decide, okay? So my job is just to tape this thing. I have no idea why I'm creating a video about making a freaking what is this, cardboard home. I think it's fun. My channel, everybody, our channel extras, we do whatever we want. So guys, I made it. We made it. So So this is gonna be my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. So actually I'm recording this video and I'm kind of tall, so that's the reason I'm keeping my phone height. So if I keep it to my monitor level, my monitor is right here, so I guess it comes down more. Yeah, so you can guys see the monitor a little bit more, and there we go. So we still have some place to hide. Just with my camera, I'll do something like that. All right. So let's check out how does it look on camera. Okay, shall we? Hey, howdy Xers, it's me. In the other camera, we got a problem. You know what's that? If I tape another one in, the upper part of this, it won't stand. The balance will fall off. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I guess I'll figure it out. Hey guys, it's me. I found another solution. So I don't have an adjustable table. That's the reason I'm trying to increase this height. So that's my main problem, and I found a solution for that, which is to increase the height of this cardboard, because you guys are not going to see my feet. So I planned to increase the height of this by putting some books or any things that's going to increase the height of this one, so that you guys can, I mean, the camera angle I'm gonna hold will be from this part, only my upper part. You're not gonna see my pants. You're not gonna see my legs or my knees, that part. You're just gonna see the half of me. So this thing is enough if it covers your half of the body. So why try to increase it? My brain just worked, so let's get right into it. We made it to the end, and I think you should see what I done. So guys, this is what I did to the end. I kept some books, increased the height of it. That's how you work, boys. And this is our freaking setup. How cool does it look? Xers, as they always say, books are the best. Buy some books, Xers, improve your knowledge. That's right, this is how you improve your knowledge. I hope my dad doesn't watch this video. He's gonna freaking kill me if he does. So guys, we made it to the end of this video. Let's take a quick look at how does it look in the gaming point of view, shall we? Let's jump right into it.
And this is the final output, and I think it looks pretty good, right? I mean, it is not shining because the bureau I had was reflecting the light from here, so I was kind of too shiny. Now I guess it's kind of yellowish because of this color. I think I'll paint it, or I'll draw some doodles or something. And obviously my camera sucks. I cannot afford a very good camera for now. If I grow on YouTube, I'll definitely buy a better camera and I'll provide better content. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. The main point of me making this video, which was just
Oh shit. Here we go again.
the main point of me making this video is just for fun. This is not really a tutorial video. It's just a video as a memory of this stupid cardboard boxes, or I just made it for fun, to be honest. For fun, yeah, that's all. I didn't do it for any tutorial purpose or something. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content like this. And I guess I'll see you Xers on the upcoming videos. Stay tuned and I'll see you. Bye bye for now. Take care.